2, 3. 1, 2.
All right. We got this Lexus, and it is already won an award. And we can take a picture mid-run. Yeah, we're just describing, you know, the cars.
You know, I'm from the hood, so we do it.
So what is going on with this award? What did you win?
It's a little cars and coffee thing. Cleanest car in the show.
Cleanest car in the show.
Once upon a time, but it's fine. I earned it, right?
You earned it. Well, I have to check it out.
Okay,
So let me determine if it's cleanest car in the show. Alrighty, guys. So we got. Oh, I love the Gucci. I love it. Ah! Oh, we got the Christmas hats. We got the, you know, the theme going on. Oh, it smells phenomenal. The red leather. I mean, this is looking good. My favorite part of this car is definitely.
All right, guys, it's 2020, so they have to wear the mask. Sort of.
My favorite part is definitely the Gucci so far. All right, we got some subs obviously in the back. We got, wow, this is, you know, Kelly, can you describe me what that is? I don't know what that is. That is
sushi.
Yeah, well, obviously it's sushi, but that is some, are those, no, it's not real diamonds. Okay. So tell me, what is going on with this?
So I'm in the military. This came from Japan.
Wow.
JDM, I just figured it would look good and then hanging in the trunk. You know what I mean?
I love it.
Show Japan that I love their vehicle.
Japan, I have a Lexus too, so I do.
What kind of Lexus do you have?
The RX 350.
So that's your style.
Oh yeah.
Not a Mustang.
Don't get me wrong, I like Mustangs, but I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, look at that Mustang.
Right.
So where is your car club located? Where is Boost It Click from?
Where are we from? So we're from multiple places. A lot of us are military or ex-military. We're stationed out of Huntsville, Georgia.
Okay.
Big up Huntsville, Georgia. But this whole line, all the way down to the awning, is all Boost It Click.
Wow. So
Either prior military or military active duty.
So you guys traveled all the way from Georgia
We literally
to come down
got
here.
on the road last night and drove down here for this morning. Yep. Sure
Isn't
did.
that incredible, guys? All the way from Georgia, just for Hot and 4 Nights Orlando. That's what I'm talking about, guys. It's killer. We love it. Thank you so much. We love you guys. Boost It Click, guys. Follow them on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook.
tournaments